Question 1. In which of the following pairs both the ions are colored in aqueous solution? Scandium titanium cha. Okay, scandium cobalt, nickel copper, nickel iron, titanium iron. Luta, which one is colored? Both colored. Option D.
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct answer. किन भन्दा स्क्यान्डियम +3 मा कति छ D0 हैन, यहाँ त पोसिबलै भएन। टाइटेनियममा D1 छ, D1 D2 हुन्छ। स्क्यान्डियममा D0 छ हैन, D0 छ, अब कुरै छोड्दै बोथ पेयर कलर्ड हुनु पर्यो। र Cu+ मा के छ तिम्रो D10 छ। सो यहाँ तिनटामा कहीँ पनि your unpaired इलेक्ट्रोन छैन। सो D मा so both contain unpaired electron and hence these both ions are colored in aqueous solution. Okay, now next question. The correct answer is D, nickel ion and titanium ion group pair. Now next, magnetic moment of 2.83 bm is given by which of the following ions? Goodness, rewatch गर। अभिषेक, जीना, मलिना हुँदैछ, रिक्जिङ, लासाङ, ट्राई गर छिटो। हजुर, अप्सन ए। अरूहरुको के भन्छ? यस, अप्सन बी। बी। So titanium, how many unpaired electrons? So titanium +3 भनेपछि कति हो? What is the D? 1. So nickel +2 भनेपछि D8. So D8 मा how many unpaired electrons are present? D मा 3 वटा हैन, 8 भनेपछि 2 वटा unpaired electron. Then chromium मा +3 means D एउटा निक्ल्यो, then दुईटा गरे D3 हैन। Mn +2 भनेपछि चाहिँ D5 हैन। सो कति हुन्छ यहाँ? D1 छ भने 1 2 हो ल। सो 2 into 2 + 2 गर्दाखेरि कति भयो? 8 √8। सो कसको आउँदैछ? निकलको। सो B इज द करेक्ट अप्सन है भयो। B करेक्ट अप्सन हो। किन भन्दाखेरि so when you do हैन, you will get √8 and √8 means 2.83 bm. ठिकै छ, मैले अघि फर्मुला बिर्सेर उल्टा दिएको रहेछ। इट इज your √n +2 ल। B is the correct option. Now next question छ, out of M2O4, V2O3, V2O5, CRO, Cr2O3 the basic oxides are? मैले अघि नै भने। So transition where the oxidation state of your element कम्ती छ त्यो चाहिँ के हो? Your basic oxide. जति ज्यादा हुन्छ acidic amphoteric हुँदै जान्छ। So which pair or which group are basic in nature? हेर त। So म अगाडिको फर्स्ट भनिदिइहाल्छु। M2O7 त यो +7 हो oxidation state. So this is not basic, यो acidic हो। So यो कुरा ए हट्यो। त्यहाँदेखि अरू सबै गर्दै जाऊ त। B मा पनि भनिदिइहाल्छु, V2O5 छ। So where the oxidation state of vanadium is maximum +5 छ। So यो पनि होइन। So अब C र D मा choose the correct option. Yes, option D. भाइ यहाँ पनि V2O5 छ। So again यता नि +5 oxidation state, यो पनि acidic हो। So your V2O3 where the oxidation state is +3 र +2. So your correct option basic oxide हरु छ V2O3 and CRO from this के अरे group. ठिकै छ। Now next question. यो त अब भने आफै पढ आफै भन ल। Very easy question. D. Alisha D. Yes, D. Chromium and copper. ठिकै छ। Copper. Chromium and copper. Next. Transition elements form alloys easily because they. Option पढ, answer. C. Ritika C. Size. Yes. Huh? Nearly same atomic size. Alisa pani correct.
Atomic size.
Yes, nearly atomic, same atomic size. Very good. Well, option C is the correct option. Alisha, Ritika, good. Next. Which one of the following characteristics of transition metals is associated with higher catalytic activity? Look, answer kara.
Option D.
It show variable oxidation state, high enthalpy of atomization, paramagnetic pani haina, color of hydrate pani haina. Correct answer is D. Very good. Ankita haina. Next. बुझ्यो अगाडिको के हो डी है so they can show variable oxidation state. Next a property which is not characteristic of transition metals. कुन चाहिँ हैन characteristic of transition elements. So variable oxidation state. हजुर. Yes.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. Yes. It's not a जति पनि छ नि they are not radioactive elements. All are यो नर्मल एलिमेन्ट्सहरूमा त्यो रेडियो एक्टिभ एलिमेन्ट तिमीले पी ब्लकमा बेसी देख्छौ र एफ ब्लकमा पनि छ त्यहाँ. ओके. The answer is they are natural reactivity, radioactivity. They are not radioactive at all. Next, the pair that has similar atomic radius. Third, because of lanthanoid contraction, second or third transition series or तिम्रो 4D र 5D series को atomic size same हुन्छ. Okay. सो त्यसले गर्दा तिम्रो सेकेन्ड र थर्ड को त्यसकै मुनि मुनि हुनु पर्यो. मोलिब्डेनम एन्ड मोलिब्डेनम छ त्यसको मुनिको छ टंगस्टन. सो डी इज द करेक्ट अप्सन. ठिकै छ. गुड जिना मलिना. भयो. ठिकै छ यो. नेक्स्ट गए म क्वेसन. Which of the following reactions are disproportionation? Now what is disproportionation? मैले हिजो पनि भनेको छु. So it is the reaction where same element get oxidized, same element get reduced. So त्यसको लागि you should know the oxidation state of all the species involved. Okay, so यहाँ अगाडिको यहाँ म बताइदिइहाल्छु. फर्स्ट ए मा यो +1 छ, +1 चेन्ज भयो +2 र 0 मा. तिम्रो के भयो इन्क्रिज भयो oxidation number. So this is your oxidation number कम्ती भयो. So this is reduction. So यता copper is getting oxidized, copper is getting reduced. So this is your disproportionation reaction. भयो. बुझ्यो? So यो जुन चाहिँ B को क्वेशन छ तिम्रो, it is your 3MnO4 2- and it gives MnO4- and MnO2 हो ल. Oxidation number state +6 +7 हो यहाँ, and this is +4. So यहाँ के हुँदैछ तिम्रो +6 देखि +7 means oxidation number oxidation हो, as because oxidation number increase हुँदैछ, and +6 to +4 it is reduction, as because again here तिम्रो के हुँदैछ oxidation number decrease हुँदैछ. So यो पनि B is also disproportionation reaction. ठिकै छ. Now C check गर त. गर्दैछौ तिमीहरु? Disproportionation मा you need to write the oxidation state of all the elements. अझै क्वेशन चाहिँ 7 वटा सम्म. जति छिटो गर्छ त्यति छिटो छुट्टी. So manganese को यता छ +7 मैले गर्दिहाले. So यता के भयो 7 to 6 decrease हुँदैछ, reduction हो. 7 to 4 again reduction हो. Okay, reduction भनेपछि this is not a disproportionation reaction. So C पनि हैन, your D पनि हैन. So A is correct answer. 1 A B. Very good. Alisha Riwaj. Okay, there are 14 elements in actinoid series. Which of the following element does not belong to this series? हेर त actinoid मा जाऊ. Element चिन actinoid मा को छ र को चाहिँ छैन मलाई बताऊ. Periodic table check गर again. Actinide मा छ actinium, thorium TH, proactium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, unstantinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, la lawrencium. The answer is 3. TM. M is here, thulium, it is in lanthanoid. Okay, correct answer, Ritika, Zina, Alisha, and Rivaj. Next. ये त मैले periodic table राखिदिएको रहेछ है ल. Now next is highest oxidation state of manganese. Fluoride मा +4 हुन्छ र oxide मा +7 हुन्छ. Okay, so fluoride मा कम्ती छ, oxygen मा बेसी oxidation state show गर्दैछ किन? Rewatch D. Yes, D is the correct answer. Right, so oxygen, though fluorine is highly electronegative than oxygen, okay, but oxygen has the ability to form multiple bonds. So त्यसले गर्दा oxygen ले excite गर्छ ल oxidation state stable गर्नुमा. Now next, good rewatch. So although zirconium belong to 4D transition series, hafnium 5D मा, so तिनीहरूको properties similar हुन्छ, chemical and physical. सबैले भन्नु सक्नुपर्ने हो. What is the reason? Your 4D series, 5D series मा छ, even then they have similar physical and chemical properties. 3. Yes. Answer is 3. They have similar atomic radius because of lanthanoid contraction, and because of that they have same physical chemical properties. ठीक है sir, Ritika correct. और वाले बुझे होला. Separation of zirconium and hafnium is difficult. Zirconium and hafnium lie in the same group of the periodic table. Assertion भन्दैछ they have separation difficult हो, and reason ले भन्दैछ zirconium and hafnium lie in the same group of the periodic table. So first तिमीले check. The separation of zirconium and hafnium is difficult. Yes, it is true. Yeah. And because zirconium hafnium lie in the same group in the periodic table. So zirconium hafnium यसकै मुनि बस्छ. So again the statement is true. Okay. But it's not the correct explanation. Correct explanation हो तिमीहरूको because of lanthanoid contraction. Okay, same group मा छ भने it's not necessarily तिमीहरूको same हुनु हुँदैन. So same हुन्छ कहिले because of lanthanoid contraction. So both the statement is true, but reason is not the true explanation for your assertion. So your second option, where both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So 2 is correct answer. देख्दैछ actinoid form relatively less stable complexes as compared to lanthanides. Actinide can utilize their 5f orbital along with 6d in bonding, but lanthanoid do not use their 4f orbital for bonding. The first statement true or false? Actinide form complexes lesser than B block but more than F block. Sorry, lanthanoid. So this statement is false. And actinoid utilize 5F OD. So lanthanoid मा पनि 4F के हुन्छ, it will take part in bond formation. So again this statement is false. So both the statement is false. भनेपछि correct option हुन्छ तिम्रो 4. Assertion reasoning आउँछ तिमीहरू यो हेरे यसरी. This is how you have to do. Wednesday test है तिमीहरूको सधैँ.